With so many drivers on the road and Uber's high commissions, nothing remains for the driver at the end of the day. It feels like they are sucking your blood while you burn through fuel and gas, and the constant block issues only make it worse. So what is the solution? The only way to take back control is the Uber Drive software from the Dark Web Arena. Dark Web Arena has been providing this service since 2022, and there are many users from different regions using this software to earn a lot of money without any hassle. This powerful software allows for easy unblocking and gives you access to unlimited trips. Even in a crowd of thousands of other drivers, our bypass network system ensures that trips come directly to your app, so you never have to wait around again. You can effortlessly earn 4 to 5 times more income than a normal driver every single day. Plus, there is no commission, meaning you keep every bit of that money in your own pocket. Why wait? Get your subscription for the Dark Web Uber Drive software right now.